Hey guys, small update here. So the action tonight, if you notice this system coming up in the retracement, so I'm zoomed in here. Let's zoom back out a bit so I can show you what I mean. You notice this system that's happening, right? And then we have this burst into our levels, almost into our levels, not quite there. I like the 100%, which is at 32, and the H3, which is at 25.25. It got as high as 25.19. I really like these levels, but the action, the market action is just ridiculous right now. It is in fucking sane. So it really, unless you know what you're doing, you see what happened here? Just trend line wise, we're starting to break lines. What I was hoping for is, or what I was looking for is not this. I was looking for a leg up, leg down, leg up that of the same kind of move, right? This is insane. I do not understand what is going on right now. So when I don't understand, and hopefully you guys do this too, when you don't understand a move, just stay out and let it do its thing. You can see it's doing some bullish things here. What I'd like to do, I mean, this is such a good buy area and such a good sell area that, and the levels are so tight right where we're at because it's an aggressive sell, right? Unless you really are confident in your entry techniques, I would refrain from taking this trade. The way it's broken in here now, if we come back out and it does some choppy bullshit up into this area, well then fine. But like here, let me show you in the small time frame what I was waiting for. I was going to sell right here. See how it was perfect? We have a trend line moving up. This burst, but it's not getting there. Like, what is this? I want to see this without a retracement. I want to see a sharp move up. No kind of dinky dacky. Let's get on top of it now. It needs to move right up into here for me to sell it like that. Like I don't mind selling into action like that, but it's got to motor into my target, not pause and start doing weird shit. Because now if it comes up into my target, it can sit on top of this. This becomes, right, on top of resistance becomes support. So I'm not interested in playing that game at all with this thing. Now, this could be a strange count. I'm going to throw that out there because this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of leg one, and then, something like that. But anyway, from the action that I see happening right now, if it stays on top, if it comes below that, well, if under this trend line, I'm happy taking this trade. Let's just say that. I was happy with that initial move. I was like, yes, we're getting kind of a stop grabber action, and then it kind of stopped and went not stop grabber action. This is the kind of action that I see where it almost hits a target, doesn't. Who isn't going to sell here? I mean, I don't understand why it didn't come up here. So, to me, it's just it's brutal, and I'm now getting, like, we're only 20 pips in here, and I really want to buy now because we've broken back inside this trend line. So I'm at a point where I'm like, oh, when I get such strong signals from my system to buy and sell at the same area, it's too aggressive at that point. It's so now I'm starting to like up here again more. Yeah, anyway, if it does come down out of here and this was some strange stop grabber that I just and didn't quite hit the because we have like 20 targets in here, right? Some stop grabber where it came up and didn't hit the targets, well, it got me. But I really don't like to see that. I don't like to see the way it stops just below all these targets and says, yep, okay, that's resistance. So when it comes up here, it can sit on there. It has an excuse, right? It's got that support. I don't like that. So this very short update that's gone long is just tonight, man, I'm at flip a coin stage with this right now. So you can let it play out, or you see why I want to buy here, right? Not only do we have this trend line here coming up, but I have a breathe here, right? So if this, basically what I'm saying is, if in 2 candles this isn't back down here, I want to be buying in this area as 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Up in here. Anyway, it's too tight, too small for me to play with that. And this is such a great reaction if it had come up into my target. This is the exact kind of reaction I'm looking for up at my targets. And I was looking at an aggressive entry at 25, 24. Came 5 pips away. And we're getting our reaction now. So if it comes back up, I don't want it. And, yeah, anyway. And another reason to buy here too, right, is it'll be on top of the 3x3 again if this hourly candle closes. So I'm starting to get to a point where I really want to buy and I really want to sell, and it's no. Not if they're not safe entries. And my safe entry was just blown because I got my reaction that I was looking for already with no entry. So that's where I'm at tonight. Frustrated. I'll see you guys tomorrow.